All right, so we are Team Promofound, a profound new way to search. So this is our presentation for the first Promostandards Hackathon. Promofound makes multi-vendor promotional product search efficient and easy. It makes it easy to implement a multi-vendor search engine powered by Promostandards. Our technology removes major roadblocks for companies and developers who need to get product data from different suppliers. It also allows users to affordably build a powerful promo product search engine with a keyword search and filtering, such as by supplier, color, size, and so forth. So the problem we worked to solve was how difficult it currently is to build a multi-vendor promotional product search engine. It's hard to get reliable data from suppliers. Companies have to rely on a select few third-party vendors that offer search, and those services are not based on standards. They require expensive subscriptions or they restrict the use of data. Options are limited for distributors who want to implement a search on their website, and non-industry search technologies are not tuned into the specific requirements for the promotional product industry. So our solution is Promofound. Promofound is a scalable and efficient product search service. It leverages Promostandards product data, media content, and pricing config services. It's also open to everybody. And again, it's tuned into the requirements of our industry. Furthermore, cached product information enables lightning fast search results. And it utilizes our groundbreaking XML to JSON technology. As mentioned, Promofound is open and accessible to everybody, including suppliers, distributors, decorators, and service providers. It can be used in a public-facing website, internal tools, and the cache can enable fast responses for Promostandard web services. Having a quality search makes it easy for website visitors to find products they're looking for, which ultimately leads to more sales. A configurable weighted search algorithm means users can find the most relevant results based on their needs. And since the data is coming directly from suppliers, it ensures the product data is as accurate and up to date as it can be. One of the biggest challenges with building a search engine. As a side effect to building Promofound, we also developed a groundbreaking XML to JSON technology, which makes it easier for developers to consume Promostandards. Many developers complain about having to work with XML. Promostandards uses SOAP and XML to transfer data between services, which ensures consistency across implementations. But many developers are not familiar, Many developers are not familiar with, sorry guys, my screen's got mixed up. They're not familiar with these, but they are familiar with JSON and prefer to work with REST-based services. So we decided to include this because there are benefits to using SOAP and XML that other service frameworks do not offer. A bit about our XML to JSON. Our technology converts XML responses to a compliant JSON representation of the product data. Developers can therefore work with JSON results, which are more modern and familiar. The solution removes the barrier in getting product information from different suppliers, and additionally, this technology can be used for all Promostandard services, not just product-related services. So we use Promofound to build a website with search in under a week. This demonstrates the power of Promofound, the Promofound search, and also proves the feasibility of our solution. We've sent a link to the judges to play around with the website, but I'm going to jump over there and show you guys it now. So this is our website. We have our own UI. Of course, anybody implementing Promofound can use it however they see fit. We're able to enter a search term here, like green tumbler, and apply some filters if we want. The filters we chose to include right now are the ability to filter by supplier, apparel style, and apparel size. So here are our search results. These are ranked based on relevance. So you can see we have our best results first, followed by good, and so forth. We can then view product details. This is a light version of the product details page. For anybody who has more time or bigger requirements to set up a page like this, there's a lot of other information available through Promostandards that you can include. We also have a preview of the JSON data. As I mentioned, this is powering the search, so we can see all that product data we're getting from Promo Standards right here. So just to jump back and show that all again, I'm going to do one more search. And we'll see the search results. Again, ranked with the algorithm that is part of Promofound, which is also configurable. So depending on who is utilizing it, they can change it to meet their needs. All right, getting back to my presentation. All right, so we also were able to build a desktop application using Promofound. This also shows the power of Promofound and how flexible it can be. It can be used in many different ways by different businesses. So here's a screenshot of that application. As you can see, we have filters for color and custom apparel sizes, which have not been implemented on the website. And again, it just shows how flexible this Promofound is. So some technical details of what we did. We included the XML to JSON conversion to implement it on the website. We included a product cache, weighted results, and a data updater. We used all this to build both a website and a desktop application. And anyone in the industry can use Promofound to do the same for what they need. So that's it. If you're ready to embrace a profound new way to enable product search, check out Promofound. It's never been easier to build a fast, accurate, and scalable search engine.
All right, so I'm sure there's a lot of service providers in the industry who are very intrigued with your presentation. You seem to have tapped into the holy grail of Promo, which is reliable search.
Yep.
Do we have any questions from any of the judges or in the chat that we can address here? Looks like Wade's chiming in here.
Yeah, this is awesome. I love it. Definitely as a service provider, we love product search. How often is the data refreshed? Presumably it's cached if you have all the supplier information that you're looking for. How often is that refreshed, and what does that look like in terms of time to do that? Is that a daily thing, or?
Yeah, currently we did not implement the refresh. We just did a load. If we had more time than a week, we would have implemented that. But I would assume that, and we've done this before, but it would be based off of a schedule and look for products that have changed and reload those portions of the cache.
Got it. Awesome. Thank you.
Great question. Any other questions for the crew here? They did post a live link in the chat for those of you who are looking to play around just at about 4:21. So.
Yes, we're running it on my developer account in Microsoft Azure. It's a limited database size right now. So if we had 300 people hit it, it might hit the limit of the amount I'm willing to pay to run the database right now.
Oh, you might get 80 or 78, it looks like. So it looks like David might chime in here with a question.
Yeah, we were also committed to the just one set of data. That's all we had access to. But of course, this can be implemented across different supplier data.
Yeah, the data tool looks terrific. Can you speak to just anything unique about the search criteria itself in terms of its ability to produce what you term higher quality results?
Yeah, so we do searches not only on the filters, but the text that was entered. And we actually have weightings based off the different fields and the amount of matching that it creates, whether it's exact matches, partial matches, and it's based off the specific pieces of the promo standards elements that are returned by the services that we're utilizing.
Steve, a follow-up question to that. Was there any particular piece of data that you ranked higher than others?
If you put in part of the SKU, if the SKU matched or the part numbers, that was the highest, followed by, we did the description, the names, product name, and then we kind of go down from there. All of the different parameters for the weights are configurable. So if you want to fine tune it for your needs, you can just change the weighting values and it'll grade it across that. One thing that we really didn't highlight was we also take those rankings and we put it into a relevancy score, which is actually what we've shown in line on the search results on how relative it is.
Great, thank you.